Oh yeah, that's right. $1,000 worth of AIMAGE gets me a little bit over 6 million in terms of the actually token itself. When I go to the captain spreadsheet, that's worth about $1,000. And when I get news like this in terms of the development program with NVIDIA, this make me think about AIMAGE and what this is going to be headed in 2024. So I'm like, okay, here is an undervalued project. Here is actually the value that you get for the 1,000. And then let's break down the captain spreadsheet right now. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's do this. Now, at 3.6 million, you're looking at $5,000 from that $1,000 investment, obviously, if you get it today. And as you continue holding and watch this thing go up, and it's not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but I'm feeling pretty good today. $8 million market cap, estimated value, you're looking at $11,000 from 1,000. That's already a 10x. And then check it out, $27 million market cap, estimated of AIMAGE gets you $38,000. Listen, this is how you really make your profit, by getting undervalued projects that got potential. And when you got news like this that they're actually working with the big boys, AIMAGE is becoming a big boy. But this is what you do. Your research is not financial advice. I'm just showing you that what $1,000 is worth in the future could get you $38,000 in the future. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.